Here we are pulling up to the place where they have all the color. Oh wow, nice car. I didn't expect to see that here. As you guys know, I've been working on changing the color on the E36, and we're changing the color on the wheels as well. So we're going super bright. The car's getting a different color. I will not say yet. I still haven't revealed the color I'm gonna choose for the E36 yet, since I'm not done fully removing the vinyl. I mean, the vinyl is removed, but I'm still working on the glue part. But I'm gonna reveal to you guys what the wheels color is gonna be like. All right, Jonathan, how difficult was it to change the colors on my wheels?
It's pretty difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they're drift wheels, so you had a lot going on there.
Yeah, I can see them. They're literally right here.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna show you yet. Now, these wheels, by looking at them, they came out amazing. It's a way different color. It's way better than I thought it was gonna look in person. Good thing that the sun is actually in the right angle right now.
Yeah.
And it's just hitting them perfectly. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see this?
They're not
Because
ready.
I don't know if you're ready for this brightness. This is bright. I'm gonna show you anyways. Feast your eyes on my new wheel colors. So we use chocolate yellow for the color. This is, what is it, like a chrome base or a metallic base with green on top?
Yeah. So this is actually an illusion color, so it didn't have super chrome as the base. What it started out as like this, it was like a weird looking green, but it was the top coat of the clear that actually made it turn into that.
Ah, nice.
So it looks like an anodized green.
Yeah, so you can see you have like the silver chrome base, and then it's like a candy transparent lime green that's like a fluorescent color, and then the clear on top makes it like super glossy and shiny. Then I have this wrapped around with some Kumo tires, and we have the 4 wheels for the car, and then we also have the drift wheels are also getting coated in the same color. These will be the front tires, which you can see they have like the shallower hub, so these ones are 18x8 for the fronts for drifting. And then I have my square wheels set up, which are 18x9.5 all the way around for street driving. I'm gonna get a little bit of a closer shot with this. As much as this looks really good for a thumbnail, I think I should definitely get a thumbnail of the wheels installed in the car. Let's go install them a little bit and see what they look like on the car. As you may see in a previous video, the car has no more purple on it right now. But as bad as it looks right now, it is already on the road to recovery. We're gonna install the wheels today to what it looks like. And then I'm actually going to a vinyl shop to get a quote to see how much it's gonna cost to install the new vinyl on the car, if I need to remove the rest of the glue, or are they just gonna be able to help me out with this stuff. Go ahead and remove the old wheels. When I went to the Ace Cafe meet, this tire seemed like really low. I put the car full lock parking and the wheel was basically touching the ground. So I was like, my tire is a little low, it might be deflating. Let's see how much air we actually have. 10.6 psi. That's a little sketchy. No wonder the car felt kind of weird on the highway. Then again, these were my drift spares that I was running closely around that tire pressure to get a lot of grip out of it, since it's only a 235 width tire. Now the new tires, I air them up to 32 psi all the way around. I am going to be running a staggered setup, not in wheel. The wheels are gonna be 18 by 9.5 all the way around, square setup. But then the tires are gonna be 265, 35/18 on the back, and on the front it's gonna be 235, 40/18. Then on the front, for maximum clearance at full lock, I have the set of 18 by 8 inch wheels with 235, 40/18 tires. Even though these two tires are the same size, you can definitely tell the extra inch of width on the wheels. You see there's a bit of a slope from this wheel to this wheel. And this gets you a lot more clearance with angle, especially since I have a SLR holder. As I was saying, since I have a SLR Ultra kit, you can get all the angle, but you need to have the right size wheel to fit. Or else this starts to happen where the tire and wheel starts hitting the control arm. You can see the tires hitting here, but then the wheel is hitting here, and the tire is hitting up here also. Are you guys excited to see what it's gonna look like with the new wheels? I honestly don't know what it's gonna look like yet, but it will be awesome. Let's go ahead and put one of these Johnnies on. No, wait, I grabbed it wrong. Never mind. Let's go ahead and put one of these Johnnies on. What am I doing? Wow, that's a big difference. Let's put some of the lug nuts in there. What do you guys think? Better? Nicer? Honestly, it looks like one of those European drift cars that have the like nice neon wheels and stuff. It looks better, way better. It used to be just this monotone black and white and gray car. The Ida though, with the 272 Brian Crowder camshaft. I could listen to that all day. And here we are at Media One. This building, it's huge. It's all the way over there, all the way on this side. And here's my man right here. How's it going, man?
All right, how's everything with you?
Pretty good. I just came out to see your amazing facility.
Yes,
I heard really
sir.
good things about it.
Awesome, awesome. I can't wait to show it to you.
All right, let's go inside and check it out. All right, guys, I'm here with Dale. He's gonna show me around real quick to where I'm taking my car to get rewrapped and get all this stuff done. So what you got for me? I heard you got a really big facility.
Yep.
How big is it?
30,000 square foot facility on 2.5 acres. We just purchased it about 6 months ago.
Wow.
So we wrap about 70 vehicles a month. We're a 3M certified shop, so 3M vinyl is the only thing we offer.
Yeah.
And we've been doing it for about 28 years.
That's a long time.
Long time.
So that's a lot of experience working with the vinyl.
Yes, sir. Or two, airbrushing.
Paint too?
Yeah, sure, all that kind of stuff. So it's nice to have the little combination between the wrap and
So you
some
wrap
paint.
cars and you paint cars too.
Yes, sir.
And you make signs and everything. It's like,
Yeah.
let's go check this place out.
All right, man.
So right behind this door, right here, right behind your office. Wow.
At the office.
This is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I see you're over here working on a boat. This is all vinyl too?
Yep, that's all wrap. So that's a 26 Velocity. It's an older style boat, but we're gonna put that full wrap on there and it's gonna make it look brand new.
Wow.
We actually invented boat wraps. We were the first people on the planet to put vinyl on a boat about 19 years ago. And it's back when we were custom painting boats. And we said, man, we should be able to wrap these boats. And that's how we did it.
That's amazing. I see you have the whole cars here. You have like a whole fleet of white cars there getting ready for wrap. You see you're taking them apart. And this thing just keeps going endlessly that way. But I see that the whole wrap stuff is like concentrated in this area. There's a lot of vinyl on the wall. There's working tables there. So this is one of your cars getting wrapped right now. See, there's a lot of precision going. He has a heat gun going on, squeegee, cutting all the little edges. This looks real good.
It's nice stuff, man. So a lot of our wraps are commercial vehicles. It's a big part of what we do. a lot of fleet work, but we also do full color changes like we're going to do on your car.
Yeah.
Wrap it up in solid colors and put some graphics on it, something like that. That's always the fun projects.
Yes. I can't wait to get some color on my car. It definitely needs it. Right now it's like a black and white thing. Gray wheels. Now I just put the neon green wheels, like shocker yellow color. So now once we lay the new color, which I'm going to reveal to you guys in another video, not yet, we're going to definitely bring this car to life. It's going to pop. It's going to be super bright.
Super.
I see you have a bunch of colors here on the wall. I will tell you guys one thing. The color of my wrap is definitely one of these rolls. Now if you can guess which one is gonna be, it's up to you guys. Now I see there's a lot of varieties. Everything here is 3M. You were talking to me about this like the 1080 and 2080 stuff. It's like really good stuff.
Yep. So 3M 1080 now is the old product that has all these different colors. It comes already that color out of the box. There's no need to print it, no need to laminate it. It's a done product. So we just wrap the car with that product. The 2080 just came out a few months ago, and it's the same product except they put a clear layer over the top of it. So when we squeegee it onto the car, we get done with the wrap and then we peel that clear coat off so it avoids any scratches that the squeegee might make or any kind of issues we'd have working with that product while we're doing the wrap. So the finished product is just so much cleaner. So it's a great step up in technology for 3M.
That is awesome. That's really good to know. My vinyl is gonna be 2080, so it's gonna have like the best finish. But we're gonna take the E36 to a whole other level. Alright guys, that's so much as I'm gonna reveal about the shop now. You will definitely see more about this place when the car gets dropped off to get wrapped. I don't have a specific date for this, but I still have to finish removing the rest of the glue of the vinyl and wet sand the car and make it all smooth so we can lay the vinyl down smoothly. Right? Good surface is important to lay vinyl. You don't want to have the hot color. Just like scratches and imperfections. All that stuff will definitely show through the texture.
Right. Show through the
All right, yeah, I'll get to work on that stuff. It was really good meeting you.
Good meeting you too, buddy.
And then hopefully we can see each other soon.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
All right, guys, now comes the best part. I'm finally gonna include some driving footage on this video. So I'm gonna have my friend Gary. He's gonna hold the camera for me, and we're gonna do a couple little spool ups and slight pulls since I can't do a lot since it's only a base tune. So you guys get to hear how amazing this car sounds on the road. Sanford police. We're fun over, guys. We're back at the shop. Gary's leaving now. I have the E36 here sitting pretty. I still have debating if I'm gonna work with the glue stuff today or not, or just do it another day. He's taking all the Halloween stuff away, so now I got a little bit more room here, and I'm gonna miss that electric show. It kind of like suit this area. On the bright side, now my Haltech banner is there full blast when you open the shop. I encountered a new issue with the E36 that led to go back on the left. What's wrong with this thing now? Moving this thing aside, you'll see there's a little puddle right there. And it's like, what could I ever be leaking? I look in the transmission area and I notice there's a lot of fluid right here between the bell housing and the engine. So that could only mean one thing. That clear fluid has to be brake fluid coming in from the clutch slave cylinder, which is all the way up here. So I noticed my clutch was kind of funky. And we're gonna see what happened to this thing today. And then hopefully they didn't damage the clutch from all the fluid. Luckily I was able to find a replacement one. Make sure that if you are replacing this thing, you get the cast iron one. Because I tried getting another one and they gave me a plastic one. I was like, what is this? This is not gonna work. Plastic one is gonna just break. So always make sure that you get the right part before going home. Also doing a visual inspection to make sure that nothing else is leaking down here and everything else checks out pretty damn good. Here's our little troublemaker. And check this out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Now I actually have to like press it a little bit, it just comes right out. I gotta now somehow clean all this brake fluid from in there and replace this. Man, does the clutch on the E36 feel a lot better now. Before it was really squishy, now it's like super solid and it definitely feels like I have an ACT Extreme pressure plate on there. Move the car outside real quick. Got this other really sweet car which I'll show you guys later. And also I have this really awesome Nismo 370Z that came over to the shop to get some exhaust gaskets done. And now sounds like a proper Z again. So I'm not gonna show you guys yet about this car. There's a long story about it and it comes back 3 years ago. But before I close this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I am now taking in customer cars. I have this car over here that's next to me. I have the 370Z. I have a couple other cars getting JC swaps and everything. I'm not only doing JC swaps, I'm working on almost everything on the car. So if you need welding, you need any upgrades on the car, installation of performance parts, coilovers, brakes, wheels, you name it. I'm doing all that stuff in the shop now, so hit me up at bigboostshop@gmail.com, or you can also message me over Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. See you guys tomorrow.